Do you want to keep your home neat and tidy with just 10 minutes of daily effort? Picture this, a home where everything has its place, where a sense of calm prevails, and where you can unwind without the burden of clutter. All possible with just 10 minutes of daily effort. These simple habits can transform your living space into an oasis of order, minimize stress, and gift you extra free time. Sounds enticing, doesn't it? Stick around to learn these quick and easy habits. So, what are these 10-minute daily habits that can transform your home, I hear you ask? Well, let's break them down into easy, manageable steps. Firstly, make your bed. It's a small task that can set the tone for the whole day. It's like telling your mind, hey, we've got this day under control. Plus, it instantly makes your bedroom look cleaner. Next up, wiping down surfaces. Now, this doesn't mean a deep clean of every surface in your home. Just a quick wipe down of the kitchen counters, the bathroom sink, or the dining table after use can make a huge difference. Using a microfiber cloth or disposable wipes can make this task even quicker. Then we move to decluttering. Clutter can quickly accumulate in our homes, but setting aside just a few minutes each day to put things back in their place can help keep it at bay. It could be as simple as hanging up a coat when you get home, or returning a book to its shelf after reading. Dealing with mail is another habit that can keep your home tidy. Let's be honest, most of us have a pile of mail sitting somewhere in our homes. But by sorting it out daily, you can prevent it from piling up. Open it, read it, file it, or toss it. Simple as that. Last but certainly not least is taking out the trash. This doesn't just mean the kitchen trash. It also includes smaller trash bins around the house, like in the bathroom or home office. Emptying them daily can prevent unpleasant odors and keep your home looking neat. These tasks are simple and quick, taking no more than 10 minutes in total. And the best part? You don't need any special tools or skills. Just 10 minutes of your day. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you can maintain a neat and tidy home with minimal effort. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised at how much of a difference these small changes can make to your home and your life. Maintaining a neat and tidy home doesn't have to be time-consuming or difficult. That's the beauty of these 10-minute daily habits. They help to keep your home spotless, reducing stress, and freeing up more time for you to enjoy life's pleasures. Just imagine, 10 minutes a day can transform your living space into a sanctuary of cleanliness and order. And the best part? You'll feel better too. Remember, a tidy home is just 10 minutes away. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.